have Gino introduce this man right here. Go ahead.
So this person's been dancing since the summer of 2006. Got saved in the fall season of 2015. Currently attends Community Bible Church. Currently a certified licensed tax preparer, dance instructor, and videographer, and editor for weddings, cotillions, and other events. He's very passionate for dance to give Christ glory and express his life story through it. Ladies and gentlemen, Joey Dominguez.
Test. Hello. Hi, everybody. Just like Joey and Shay, this is my third year too coming out, and it's Community Bible Church, and thanks for the invite, Pastor E. Thank you so much. But if you remember me from last year, I was kind of expressing that I was kind of going through a rough spot in my walk with Jesus Christ, in my relationship with God. I was barely reading, I was barely praying or attending church when I should, to be around. I was kind of neglecting the normal gathering of the believers during that time. And I'm kind of in the same season, actually, this year. And I almost said no again, Pastor B. I almost did. You know, because it took me like a couple of days just to respond to you, because I had to really contemplate on it. And it was actually, I think it's appropriate that Dan spoke on when worship can be dangerous. I know my CBC brothers and sisters that are here, it's been a while since you've seen me. I know it's been a while because it's hard for me to be up here, actually. Sorry, I'm a little nervous, but I did pray a lot earlier when I rehearsed this on my own, just for the Spirit to move in me. The thing is, I find it appropriate too that I want to be a little transparent for the time being before I perform these pieces. And I find these pieces also appropriate to what I've been going through. I've been in sin. And I find it right to just remind myself of what James 5:16, what it says is, it says, "Therefore confess your sins to one another and pray for one another so that you may be healed. The effective prayer of a righteous man can accomplish much." The sin I've been in it's weird to say in here for me. I found myself being filled with anger a lot, especially sometimes when I'm driving. When someone makes a stupid move while they're driving, they cut in front of me or something like that, I cuss. I've been caught up in my own personal lusts just on the internet, and it's not, I know it's not right. And the thing is too, when I come to CBC, I feel like a hypocrite. I don't like showing my face. And the thing is, when Pastor Lee texted me, do you want to participate in tonight in this event that's coming up in September? I was contemplating whether or not I should do this or not. And the thing is, someone else may be going through this. And I professed Jesus. If you remember from the little biographies, I professed faith in him in 2015. And there's a fear that I had in the beginning of my walk with Jesus was I didn't want to be one of those people that just comes and goes and you never see them again. And the thing is, and also I didn't want to become those in Matthew, correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's in Matthew 7, where they say, Jesus says, "Depart from me, you workers of iniquity." I may be misquoting it, but he says, "Depart from me, you workers of iniquity." He's saying to these people who profess Jesus as Lord, but he says to depart from him because I never knew you. And that scares me. And I find it, again, appropriate for what Dan said was, we want to worship rightly. And what it says in James 5:16, I just pray. I'm not asking for pity, but for prayers from everyone here to me. And I want it to be recognized as a dancer who gives God the praise. And Pastor, you said it yourself. You've seen me on Instagram. And the thing is, if you notice, I haven't really been doing much worship pieces lately. If you've noticed, it's just kind of, it's just very general. It's nothing like provocative or anything like that. It's just dance, but not really putting God at the center of it. But tonight, I want to change that. I really want to repent. I want to serve God. I want to be transformed. I want to be sanctified. And it's tough for me being up here, and I'm afraid that my pieces may not be pleasing to God, but I'm praying that it can be, but also that this can still be an encouragement to someone that may be going through a similar season. But yeah, just pray for me, and don't just look at me for what I'm doing with my moves. It's for the Lord, and the thing is, I don't want to look just at myself too, not to look too much down on myself, which is kind of what I've been doing this entire time I've been up here. There is a living hope. We can always look to Jesus too. The thing is, I was reminded of I think a passage in John 3, not John 3:16, but right before he says John 3:16, there's a passage that talks about where Jesus is referring to when Moses, I think it was in Numbers, when Moses lifted up his staff and there was a bronze serpent, when there was a plague of serpents biting Israelites when they were wandering in the wilderness. The thing is, I'm kind of just trying to tell myself and everyone else right now too, just look to Jesus, look to Him, and the thing is, as believers too, and this is my mistake, is that I'm trying to figure things out on my own, when in reality, I do need a body of believers to help me. And don't run away from your church, is what I'm saying. But other than that, I pray for me, and I'll be praying for you too if you're going through a similar season as me.
Father God, I'm praying to you for somebody who knows you, Lord, but just hasn't been seeing you in the right view lately. Hear me out. His condition is worsened since we was last conversing. I'm with him now, he ain't doing well, of this I'm certain. He say he trying to trust you, doesn't want to discuss you, but he was in the midst of sinners and did not discuss you. And just today his anxiety's got the best of him. He knows Christ, but for hours refused to rest in him. He's not the best of men, but Lord, I know he really loves you. And I can't understand why lately he's not thinking of you. People trust this dude, you can crush this dude. Father, he needs more of you, I pray you touch this dude. What can I say to him? I'm determined to pray for him. Father, empty and break him, I pray you'll just have your way with him. Cause there's a change in him, and the effects are strong. I pray you'll open up his heart before the next song. And when he gets home, I pray you'll open up the 66-book love letter you wrote and soak it up. Cause he ain't hearing you, and he ain't feeling me. And God, I know it's killing you, because it's killing me. And matter of fact, there's something else he's concealing. See, the person that I've been praying about is really me.
And at times when things don't go my way, and God, there are times when life is strange, and it gets hard sometimes, so hold the pain like I'm standing in the pouring rain. And And then I remember all the times you took me in. When I chose to live a life of sin, you held me in your arms again. And then I remember loving you is not about me. I love you, Lord, 'cause you're worthy. Sometimes I forget the things that matter, and so I say, Lord, you've been so good to me. Sometimes I get blind from the things that go on in my life, and I can't see that you've been good to me. And if we could only see, stop looking